Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm doing some red reflective polygel toenails. I've been wanting to do polygel toes, I don't know, for a while, I guess. I just want to try them. I just want to try every method I can to see like what lasts longer for my toes or what lasts longer for nails. And right now I'm realizing polygel lasts quite a while on nails. And my last video I did nails where I went to the fair, and I didn't actually wear those nails to the fair, by the way, y'all, because they ended up like continuously just popping off, and I wasn't about to keep dealing with it. It was annoying, so I just ended up popping them off and not wearing them, but they were still cute for the video. And I did my sister's nails for the fair, but that was like, you know, not a recent video, but a video I did a little while ago. They were pink, pretty simple, but those were polygel, and none of those came off until like after the fair, which I don't consider that to be lasting that long, because they've only been on since the 27th of September. So yeah, but I did start with a thin layer of base coat, and I'm using Rosalind's polygel, and you want to use a very small amount, especially on the first smallest nail. Otherwise they're just going to end up really thick. Be careful not to flood your cuticles and not to get it on your skin. I'm trying my best. This is my first time doing polygel toenails, so I'm gonna try my best. I'm not an expert at polygel or even polygel. I'm not an expert at polygel, and I'm definitely not an expert at polygel toes. Doing these polygel toes was very difficult for me. It's just nothing like acrylic, and the most I've done on my toes is like acrylic, and I was talking about like, you know, not press-ons. So this was difficult for me personally. And I also want to talk about the longevity of these as well, compared to, you know, other methods I've tried in doing my nails in the past. So I'll get into that later in this video, but for now I want to let y'all watch this application. This flash cure lamp that I have right here, I don't even recommend bothering trying to flash cure your toes. Just go ahead and put them in the full lamp after you're done. Flash cure them in the full lamp for like 10 seconds after each toe, so that it doesn't, you know, run everywhere and flood your cuticles and sidewalls. During application, I really want to reiterate to make sure to clean up your sidewalls, because I feel like that was one of the mistakes that I made when it came to doing these. Because for the toe that lasted, the big toe is the only toe that lasted, and I feel like I got a really clean application on that one. So honestly, the only problem that I can find, the only thing that I did wrong that I can find is the fact that I might have gotten some of the polygel on the skin and didn't, I didn't pay attention enough to that. So just be 100% sure that you're paying attention to that, because if you're gonna do these polygel nails, you want them to last. Like, they took me a long time just for them to pop off. It was just disappointing. So now that we're almost done with the application, I want to talk about the longevity of this polygel on my toes compared to other methods that I've tried in the past. So the first time I did my toes, I probably just, the first time I really like did them where I wanted them to last, I tried to do acrylic toes, and acrylic toes are just a frustrating mess for me personally. Honestly, they're easier than polygel toes, but I'm thinking at this point it's because because I'm more experienced with acrylic than I am with polygel. But doing acrylic toes is an easier process for me. The only thing is that taking them off is hellish, and also that's pretty much it when it comes to acrylic toes. Taking them off. Also, they don't last that long. Like, they last like, I don't know, it depends. It's very iffy for me how long my acrylic toes will last. And the next method I tried was Gel X, and my Gel X toes, they didn't pop off right away or even after a week or anything like that. They actually lasted a good while. I'm not sure how long they lasted, but I would say almost a month. And same with my sisters as well. So I would recommend Gel X for your toes. But I did want to try polygel, so I am. After I did these nails, or maybe even the day of, one of these popped off. And yeah, I was pretty upset about it because I prepped my nails like normal. I removed my cuticles, the dead skin. I roughened the natural nail and removed the shine with a sanding band. So basic prep for like any polygel set, but on my toes. And then a thin layer of base coat, but still, like, they didn't last. And right now, on this foot, only the big toe is on. And so yeah, if you're gonna take anything from this video, take away my big toe application, because apparently I did something right with that. The rest of these though, they popped right off, and that's upsetting to me. My other foot, the big toe popped off as well and damaged my toe significantly. So yeah, these didn't last, but regardless, like I followed the steps. Like I followed the steps. I guess maybe I just did something wrong during my application. Maybe I wasn't cleaning up the sidewalls enough. I don't know what I did wrong. If you have more experience with polygel or polygel toes, specifically, let me know, of course. Any tips would be helpful, although I'm not sure I want to do these again because they were just hard to do. Like they were just way harder to do than just going ahead and grabbing a regular full covered gel X tip and just using that with some solid gel glue, and that will last you so long. But while these were difficult to do, I'm not completely opposed to trying them again. It's just that the next time I try them, I don't want it to pop off the next day. Like I do my toenails for them to last. The only nails that I don't do for content is my toenails. Like I record them, of course, but I keep my toenails on. Like I actually like to wear them. But they didn't last, unfortunately. And getting into filing, I'm just using this cone. I don't know what this bit is called, if I'm being honest with y'all. I have no idea what this bit is called, but I got it in the polygel kit that this polygel came in as well. And I have everything linked below. And I pretty much only used this polygel kit products. So yeah. Like honestly, even this drill came in the polygel kit. So check out that polygel kit. It is linked below. The reflective glitters, though, they are sold separately from the polygel kit. So yeah, that's pretty much the only two things that will be linked below. Besides all of my favorite items, of course, that I use all the time. After I'm done using my e-file, I'm just gonna take my hand file and go with, in the corners and like the free edge of these nails, because when it comes to them, I feel like the application was fine and I did enough filing with the e-drill. So yeah, after I sharpen the corners, that's where I'm gonna apply my reflective glitter gel polish. So here are the toes, all crusty and filed, and I did wash them off, and I'm just gonna apply one layer of this and then one layer of Rosalind's glossy top coat, and then that's pretty much it for the nails. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let me know if y'all have any tips or tricks on how to make your polygel toenails last, because I did the same thing that I do for my regular polygel like nails, like on the hand, and they just popped off. Like they just all popped off one by one. So I want to know any tips or tricks y'all have. Also, let me know what y'all think of these nails below. Leave a comment. Just leave a comment, because I always respond to my comments, or at least I try. I at least always give a heart to my comments. So please leave a comment below, and leave a like if you like this video, and be sure to subscribe for more nail content. I don't usually do toes. This is like my second toe video. So yeah, subscribe for more nails. And if you want more toes, just let me know, and I'll do my toes on camera more often. I hope y'all enjoyed this video either way, and I hope to see y'all next time. Bye.